Card Beginners Tutorial: How to Use Card. So basically the card.co website. So first of all, as a general explanation, this is somewhat a simple but powerful website builder that lets beginners create one-page website for portfolios, landing pages, personal profiles, and even small projects without coding. So if you want to go ahead and get started, you can go to your preferred browser and just enter card.co and you could just log in. If you don't have an account, you're gonna have to sign up first, use up your email, and verify your email in order to create an account. But once you've logged in, you'll be able to enter your dashboard where you can take a look at your sites. You have your drafts, templates, but the main idea is to press here in the top right corner, which is to make yourself a new site. So if you'd like, you can start with a blank page, but they will have their templates available. If you'd like, you can select them or take a look at them as a demo. But some templates are for a premium version. So if you want to use those, you're going to have to get yourself a subscription. But in our case, we're just going to choose a blank page for now. So you can use the drag and drop editor to customize your text, images, or pretty much the elements that is available in the tool here. You even got audio, you have your gallery, but again, some options will be hidden behind a subscription. But you don't really need any design skills needed, maybe even just a bit, but you can preview your changes in real time, and Card's clean interface makes it easy to rearrange your elements. So you can add buttons, embed media, and set up basic forms or links quickly. But once your page or layout is ready, you can connect a custom domain, enable site settings like SEO, metadata, and analytics. So you can publish your site here in the top right once you're done. So it's pretty much here found in this icon, but Card also supports integrations such as Stripe or Google Analytics on paid plans, which lets you collect leads, accept payments, or track visitors as your needs grow, making it a flexible tool for both beginners and small business owners. But that is the general idea on how Card.co works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.